Y'all, I'm locked out of my bathroom. What the heck? Like, what the? I'm legit, like y'all. I guess I did not freaking shut the drawer all the way. Like, what the heck? I didn't shut the drawer all the way. So now I'm locked out, and now I gotta call the office and see how we gonna get up in there, because I gotta go into the bathroom. Like, I gotta go to the bathroom. So for maintenance, we wait before I can even start the video. I gotta tell you, all you gonna need is beads. I got these from Hobby Lobby for $2. And then some string. This is called illusion string. Not sure why. So yeah, this is it. So I got 4 bags of these, so that's $2 a bag. 2 times 4 is 8, so $8 plus $3. So about 11 bucks, well, about 12 bucks. And let's see how big. I might have to get more beads because I'm not really sure. It says 150, so each bag is 150. So 600 beads might not be enough. I don't know. I don't even remember how many beads the other video had, but yeah, come on, maybe I need to start on my YouTube video. Hey, exclusive baddies. Today's video, I finally finished the purse. It took forever. When I say it took forever, it took me forever. I don't even know, like, I was doing this at work. Like, y'all seen, it's gonna be different type of backgrounds for the me making the bag, because that was so hard. Like, this was like probably the hardest thing I've ever made to date. That was the hardest thing I've ever done. But it turned out really cute. I really like it. It's really dope. It's a mini. I'm into mini bags. I don't carry a lot, so yeah, I'm super into mini bags. And yeah, also, yes, this is one of my shirts, my exclusive baddies merch. Go shop. Okay, yeah, this is a shirt from one of my from my clothing line. It is a t-shirt version of the tie-dye, but I gave them black faces, black masks, because it popped out. It made the shirt pop out, but the hoodie still has the glittery mask. So don't forget, yeah, go shop. Got some cute stuff on there. I think you guys really like it. And also, don't forget, all new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Old subscribers, thanks for watching my videos. You guys are a bomb. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video so you can see how I made this freaking bag that took me 30 years to make. Okay. exclusive baddies. So I know y'all gonna be so irritated with all these different backgrounds and like just a whole bunch of different stuff going on. So I'm almost done with the bag. I keep taking breaks because I have to work. Obviously I'm at work, and so I'm gonna show you what the bag is looking like so far. I did complete one side. I just gotta do the other side here. Let's see if I can set my camera up. Set it right. Okay, so shop exclusive by DP merch. Okay. So this is the bag so far. I have the side. I completed the side, one side, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I do this other side. How I created. I know what's the bottom of this, so I'm just gonna do rows of 4. So in between, like, you know, you see 2 beads, I'm gonna do 5 going across each line like this, and then I'll show you how I connect the 4th bead in between. So let's start doing that now. So now I'm going to, like, you see these? There's gonna be like a bead. Hold on. So I'm gonna do like for this little a bead in between each of them. And I'll just like kind of lay it flat. It's easier for me.